Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Halfway. Halfway means at or to point midway between two others. For example, he stopped halfway down the passage. He stopped halfway down the passage. Synonyms: midway, at the midpoint, in the middle.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. This fine pitch is roughly halfway between Headley's Bridge and Knocknegotial. Now, repeat after me. This fine pitch is roughly halfway between Headley's Bridge and Knocknegotial. The second exempli. The fundraising appeal is ongoing and has almost reached the £100,000 halfway point. Now, repeat after me. The fundraising appeal is ongoing and has almost reached the £100,000 halfway point. The third exempli. Imagine Updike's Couples remixed by Bret Easton Ellis and you're halfway home. Now, repeat after me. Imagine Updike's Couples remixed by Bret Easton Ellis and you're halfway home.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
William Shakespeare had a great influence on the English language. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. Above all, he introduced thousands of words and phrases into the English language.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.